Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we have a Barbie. It's a copy of Barbie. My friend gave it to me. It's not my friend. It's like from Taiwan. There was a small, but it's supposed to be big. What's that called?
Your uncle.
My uncle, but it's a
Just a baby. No, it's a kid.
it's a kid.
Younger than you.
Yeah, younger than me, and he's an uncle.
Yeah, it's your uncle. It's my daddy's first. No, it's first. I don't know which cousin. First or second cousin, whatever. It's a cousin.
Yeah.
But the ranking because he's on the same generation of me. That's why you can call him uncle. But he's younger. It's funny.
And this is a copy of Barbie.
Yeah, kind of copy.
And this
It's
kind of
adorable.
got smushed, so I was just holding this
Yeah,
down.
the name of this one is called
I was just holding it down the
Anjana Gorgeous Style Fraction.
I was trying to hold this down this whole time and it was already opened.
Yeah. Yeah, we put it in the shelf for a long time already.
Yeah, we still have a lot of toys haven't opened yet.
Yeah. I just found some animals yesterday in a big box. And we have a lot of toy trains.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. Anyway.
Let's open this.
I found somewhere in the bags.
What?
Moana's sleeping.
No,
She's sleeping.
She doesn't look like she's sleeping. Why are these packages? I hate these packages.
You need to.
They
Yeah, you just take it off.
It tears some of my skin off.
Yeah,
I hate
it's be careful. I have to. They got something at the back side. You see?
Ow.
You got some wire at the back.
I want to do
No,
the
you don't do
line.
it with your finger. Just you turn. Let the camera help you out. Okay?
Okay. Look at the bag. It's so fashionable.
You are still on vacation. You're still on holiday, right?
Vacation. Tomorrow is the last day on vacation.
It's on holiday and no school. And today is what? Monday? Yeah, today is Monday. And
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Yeah, Wednesday you need to go back to school.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
You like school?
Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
You like go to school?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, totally. Yeah, but I still love it. I like going to school because I like doing homework.
You like homework?
Yeah. And also, the same time, I like watching YouTube.
What kind of homework you like most?
Portuguese,
Portuguese. And what else?
English, and Chinese.
Yeah, done. Unpack it already.
This dress is not even... Oh, look at the back. You take off her shoes, her feet. They don't even make some... So funny.
Yeah, you got so many.
Her shoes are so big.
Yeah.
Like
You can put them along with the Barbie, and we have a lot of dresses. We can do some changes.
She
Again.
has like something.
Yeah.
There's still more rubber bands.
Yeah, some rubber band.
Her hair is so pretty. Can you give me a mini brush?
I don't have a brush. Should be in your box of Barbies, I guess.
No, just a normal brush so I can brush her hair. I think I keep it somewhere. Look.
You like blonde hair?
Yeah. Boys can have blonde hair too.
Yeah.
Like, the hair is going on the back. There's also a ponytail on the bottom.
You like her dress?
Yeah, I like
And you like a piece of...
Should I take the ponytail off?
It doesn't matter.
I
It's
want
up
to
to
take
you.
it off.
What you like.
Can you take it off for me though?
No, I don't want to do that myself. You take it off and you won't make it again. I guess it's quite difficult to make it again.
But I can use it.
Yeah,
But it's okay.
you can use the rubber band. You take off her hair, swear. She take off her hair, my hair. You take off
It
her...
stays on her shape.
Yeah.
These hairs get off so easily. When you take the package off, some hair already fell off. What? This is
She's quite tall. She looked tall.
Yeah, but she's actually very short.
Yeah, I'm
Compared to me.
Yeah, you're a human. She's not. She's just a figure.
Baby.
This is just a toy figure.
It stays on his shape.
Yeah.
If you want to do this, you can like make another style with this rubber band. But it's broken already. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. What? This is so way higher.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all next time. Her dress is not even... They just made it. What? Bye.